My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, I give you my 10-year experience with the cheapest Harbor Freight torque wrench. So this is the cheapest torque wrench at Harbor Freight. I think I got it for 10 bucks about 10 years ago, and I built a minimum of 10 motors with it, maybe even 20. So this is the Harbor Freight torque wrench, cheapest one you can get. Probably the same style your grandpa used back in the day. But you know what? The benefit is the battery is never dead. So that's a win, and it works very well. If you've never used a torque wrench, you spin this up, and there's numbers on here. So it goes all the way up to 140. You spin it up, and that's how you select it. Pretty simple, not much to it. It also has forward and reverse. That's honestly about all there is to it. Let me give you my experience with it. This thing is literally the MVP of the toolbox. You can't beat the price. It works fantastic. I've built a bunch of 22 REs. I've built a 318 Mopar, a couple 350s, or whatever Chevys, small blocks, Ford small blocks. I've built it all with this thing, honestly. I built a lot of motors. I've used them on wheels. It's seen a lot of use, and you know what? It still works perfect. The torque seems fine. I haven't had any issues with motors blowing up, wheels coming off, anything like that. So this is a fantastic deal for what it is. I trust this thing, even though it's Chinese. This thing has been fantastic over 10 years. I have no complaint at all with this thing. It is just fantastic. So if you don't have a torque wrench, get one of these. I don't know if they do coupons still. They might have stopped doing that. But either way, it might be 20 bucks now. It's still well worth it for 20 bucks. You can do so much with it, and you won't regret buying it. I hope you guys liked that video. I'm sick as a dog. I feel awful, but I came out here and did a quick video for you guys. Go out and buy that torque wrench if you don't have one. Well worth the price. I'm making a video every day. I want to beat Cleetus and go to the Freedom Factory. There's a video right here on why I want to do that. And check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.